Hello everyone, welcome to the X12 Mechanics Academy, and this is Fernando, and I'm proudly to introduce something about the BMW DSC Integrated Brake replacement. It's divided into two parts, front brake pads and rear brake pads. Okay, let's start from the front brake pads. First step is to press the ignition button continuously 3 times and do not step on the brake pad. The second step is to continuously pull and press the hand braking button for 3 times, which means pull, press, pull, press, pull, press. It's very important. The third step is to replace the front brake pads, and it's very important to notice that the front left and the front right brake pads cannot be replaced at the same time. You can replace the left brake pads first, then the right brake pads. Now we can replace the rear brake pads. Different from the front brake pads replacement, we need to enter the workshop mode before any action. We can use the X12 diagnostic tool to enter the workshop mode. And do not forget to disable the workshop mode after the replacement of the rear brake pads. It will prompt to pull up the parking brake button, and you can hear clearly a sound from it. And in the end, we need to pull the handbrake a few more times to ensure it's done. If something went wrong, then some trouble codes will appear like this. Here is a guide of how to erase the front brake pad fault and the rear brake pad fault. For example, if we have witnessed the trouble code brake circuit 1 permanent leak identified, or this trouble code large amount of leakage in brake circuit clearance, we can just get our X12 diagnostic tool and enter the diagnostic reset mode. It can be easily resolved.